Hopefully this will be a short video of the pressure relief on a 2004 350Z. So for starters, we're going to remove the battery cover. And start by taking off the cover here. Might have to use a couple screwdrivers for this. Gain access to the fuse box back here. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. See here. Here we go. Access to your fuse box. Simple, real simple. So you'll see that, if you can see, that upper one says fuel pump right there. So we're going to take off the fuel pump relay right there. As simple as that sounds. Okay, fuel pump relay. Next thing is to start the car, let it run. If it starts up, it'll be momentarily. But if it doesn't start, that's fine. Just need to run the pressure out. And then when you put it all back together, you may get an engine code because it ran without gas for a little while. But that's pretty much it.